Hi, it's Danielle with 4Patriots. And today I want to talk to you about your Patriot Power Cell. I want to make sure you know how to use it and get the most out of it so you can really enjoy your cell. Now your Patriot Power Cell comes in this nice protective box. Inside, you will find your user manual. Now this manual goes over everything I'm going to tell you today, so make sure that you read it, keep hold of it, and you can refer to it whenever you like. We have our charging cord. This is the charging cord to charge your power cell. And the cell itself comes in a protective wrapper that keeps the solar panels from having any scratches. But this is it. It's a small, easy to carry device. I'll show you a bit about how to use it. Now your Patriot Power Cell just has a few things on it. Your indicator light, your power, and then inside of here are your ports. The indicator lights will show you a few things. This green light means that the power cell is seeing sunlight. The fact that these blue lights are moving means that it sees sunlight and it's charging. If I were to cover over the solar panels, you see it's no longer charging. If I want to know how full my battery is, I simply push the power button on the side and it will show me here just how full mine is. Now I have 25, 50, 75% fullness right now, but it can go all the way up to 100% full, obviously. And I've uncovered so you can see my green light and it's charging back up again. This power button also runs the flashlight. Press and hold for the flashlight to come on, and then you can cycle through SOS, strobe, and off. Now those SOS and strobe features are great if you're stuck on the side of the road, having to change a tire. You can just pop that up in your window and help keep you safe. And having a flashlight is sometimes just really useful. And then what's left are here on these ports. You can see that there's 3 holes. There's our input, that's how we charge the Patriot Power Cell, and our 2 USB output holes. We'll use those to charge our other devices. So to charge this up, it's actually quite simple. We use the cable that's provided. And I'll use this small end to put it right in that input port. Now this USB end, I could put into any active USB port. So that can be your computer, it can be an AC to USB adapter, any place that will put out USB power. If it were completely empty, it would take about 6 hours to fully charge my power cell from my AC. Takes even longer from solar, but we definitely want to do it by AC when we first get the power cell, and that way you can make sure it's full all the way. Actually, charging via AC is the best way to charge the power cell, and that way I would get the longest life out of the cell. If I want to use my power cell to charge other devices, I'm going to use these USB output ports. I can use anything with a USB output cord. So here's my flashlight. It's got a USB cord that can go in. I've got my cell phone with a USB cord that can go in. If I have an iPad instead, that's no trouble. It's not too big. It's got a USB cord, and I can just plug it in. There it goes. Anything with the USB cord can be charged by the power cell. Most phones run 900 to 1200 milliamps. So you should be able to charge your phone multiple times using the Patriot Power Cell. And it's really easy to take care of. I just need to make sure that I keep it charged. I like to charge mine at least once a month. That'll keep the battery its most healthy and will last the longest. It's got this nice rubberized exterior, so you can drop it, and that helps protect it from shocks. It's water resistant, so if it gets a little wet, a little splash on it, no problem. I can wipe it down, it's not a big deal. I don't want to throw it in the pool, but it is water resistant. So it's easy to take care of, easy to maintain, and it's easy to take with me everywhere. The only thing I need to make sure I do is not get it too hot or too cold. It runs about 14 degrees to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Your car, even on a 75-degree day, can get hotter than 122 degrees Fahrenheit. So don't leave it in your car dash. Outside of that, it's really simple, really easy to take care of, and I know you're gonna love it and be able to charge all of your devices on the go. Enjoy your Patriot Power Cell.